Video title: Neck Turning Weight Loss Transformation. Only 21 days needed.
Video description:
Welcome to our neck turning weight loss transformation video. In this video, we will guide you through an incredible journey towards achieving your dream body. Join us as we reveal the secrets to losing weight and transforming your life in just 21 days. With our proven methods and expert guidance, you'll be amazed at the remarkable results that can be accomplished in such a short amount of time. Get ready to embark on a life-changing experience and discover a healthier and happier you.
Keywords: weight loss transformation,
21 days challenge, healthy lifestyle,
fitness journey, body transformation.
Intro, voiceover. Voiceover. Are you tired of trying fad diets and endless workout routines, only to see little to no progress? Do you dream of achieving your ideal body shape but struggle to find a solution that actually works? Look no further. In this exciting video, we will present to you the ultimate weight loss transformation program that will revolutionize your life in just 21 days. Get ready to witness the power of dedication, commitment, and expert guidance as we take you on an incredible journey towards your dream body.
Video content:
H2, Chapter 1, The Importance of Weight Loss Transformation. H3, Why is weight loss transformation essential? Voiceover. Before we delve into the details of our groundbreaking 21-day weight loss transformation program, let's understand why weight loss transformation is essential for your overall well-being. Excess weight not only affects your physical appearance but can also lead to numerous health concerns such as heart disease, diabetes, and joint problems. By embarking on this transformation journey, you are making a conscious decision to prioritize your health, boost your confidence, and enhance your quality of life. H2, Chapter 2, The 21-Day Challenge. H3, What makes our 21-day challenge unique? Voiceover. Our 21-day weight loss challenge is specifically designed to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Unlike unsustainable crash diets or intense workout regimes, our program incorporates a holistic approach that focuses on 3 key elements: nutrition, exercise, and mindset. By following our expert guidance and staying dedicated for just 3 weeks, you'll be amazed at the incredible results you can achieve. H2, Chapter 3, The Secrets Revealed. H3, Nutrition, Fueling Your Transformation. Voiceover. One of the pillars of our weight loss transformation program revolves around nutrition. We will guide you in making informed choices about the food you consume, ensuring a balanced diet that fuels your body's needs and promotes healthy weight loss. You'll learn about portion control, the importance of macronutrients, and how to make sustainable and delicious meal choices that will accelerate your progress. H3, Exercise, Sculpting Your Dream Body. Voiceover. In this chapter, we will unveil the secrets behind our effective exercise routines that will help you sculpt your dream body. Through a combination of cardio, strength training, and targeted workouts, you'll be able to burn fat, tone your muscles, and improve your overall fitness level. Our expert trainers will guide you, ensuring proper form and technique, and providing modifications for all fitness levels. H3, Mindset, Unlocking Your Potential. Voiceover. Weight loss transformation isn't just about physical changes. It's about transforming your mindset too. In this section, we will explore the power of positive thinking, self-belief, and motivation. You'll learn techniques to overcome obstacles, stay consistent, and develop a mindset that supports your goals. Prepare to unlock your full potential and reach heights you never thought possible. H2, Chapter 4, Success Stories. H3, Meet our inspiring participants. Voiceover. In this chapter, we want to showcase the inspiring stories of individuals who have successfully completed our 21-day weight loss transformation program. They will share their personal experiences, struggles, and triumphs, proving that anyone can achieve remarkable results with dedication and the right guidance. Get ready to be inspired and motivated by real-life success stories. H2, Chapter 5, Your transformation starts today. H3, Join our program and transform your life. Voiceover. Congratulations! You have reached the end of this incredible video journey. Now, it's time for you to take action and start your own weight loss transformation. Don't hesitate to join our proven 21-day challenge and unlock your true potential. Remember, with dedication, commitment, and expert guidance, you can achieve that dream body you've always desired. Get ready to say hello to a healthier, happier, and more confident you. Outro, voiceover. Voiceover. Thank you for watching our neck-turning weight loss transformation video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you're ready to embark on a life-changing journey towards achieving your dream body, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join our 21-day challenge by clicking the link in the description below. Stay tuned for more incredible content, success stories, and expert advice on transforming your life. Remember, your transformation starts now.